Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 installation has failed error quickly and step by step. This issue usually happens due to corrupted files, incompatible settings, or background services interfering with the installation. First, restart your computer and make sure your system meets the Windows 11 requirements. Disconnect any unnecessary external devices like USB drives or printers. Next, press Windows R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and click Disable All. Then go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager and disable all startup apps. Restart your computer to perform a clean boot. Now try running the Windows 11 installation again. If it still fails, open Command Prompt as administrator, type SFC/scannow, and press Enter to repair system files. After that, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. These commands will fix deeper system issues affecting the installation. Make sure you also have enough disk space on your system drive. You can free up space by deleting temporary files or unused programs. Also check for pending Windows updates and install everything available. Finally, restart your PC and run the installation again. The process should now complete without errors. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.